Hi guys! Here's the W for Men 2-in-1 Deluxe Shaver. It is a wet and dry self-sharpening blades, and in this video, ipapakita sa atin ni Kids kung paano na ginagamit ito. It has titanium blade foil and self-sharpening siya, so we don't have to worry about maintenance. It has an LCD display. Makikita natin dito yung remaining time and its charging indicator. At the back, we can see a push-out trimmer. Pwede siyang gamitin to trim yung mahabang hair, like for example, sa sideburns and sa goatee. Pwede rin siya sa mustache. It has triple head all-directional individual floating system, so it follows the contours of the face, kaya madali siyang i-glide sa baba, sa jaw. It is uniquely designed for easy grip and maneuvering. It automatically adjusts according sa contours ng face for comfortable and perfect shaving. You can use this wet and dry and napakadali niyang linisin. All you have to do is push the release button para ma-open yung part na pwedeng hugasan, and then itatapat lang sa water, brush out na lang yung mga areas na meron pang hair. Enjoy short shaving process with W for Men 2-in-1 Deluxe Shaver.